Dan from Dan Talk Real Talk, Wheel Talk Wednesday. Here we go. This is an unscheduled 2 of 2. Here's what I'm thinking today. Why are people so afraid to tell the truth? Stop. Why are people so afraid to have people tell the truth? Everyone says, oh, the truth will set you free, but they don't want to hear it, especially not if it's got to do with them. But these are the same people who are really, really, really good at telling you the truth about you, what's wrong with you, what you should do. So that don't wash with me. You want me to tell you the truth about you? You want to tell the truth about me, then I need to be able to tell you the truth about you. If you don't have the skin for it, then stay home in your little shell, zip it up, and don't give me any advice, because it's not a one-way street. Life is not a one-way street. Love is not a one-way street. Truth can never be a one-way street. I have learned in life, and I've had many, many wonderful opportunities to learn this with people, and some really unfortunate opportunities to learn this from people. If you want people to tell you the truth, let them tell you the truth. And they need to let you tell them the truth. The truth doesn't set you free. It makes you real. Because the only thing in person that can set you free is you. Dan from Dan Talk, Real Talk, Wheel Talk. I really want you guys to understand. We're coming into something, I feel it. We need to change before the change changes us. Let's change before the change, make it work for us, and make it ours. I'll see you on Friday for Doing with Diane, and we're going to do it. See you.